Hello audience, today I gonna show you how to turn off voice chat on Roblox. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first your Roblox apps open. Now click on three dot icon. Now scroll down. Now click settings. Now click on privacy and content restriction. Now click on communication. Now click on voice chat. Now voice chat enable microphone. Now click turn off. Save successfully. By doing process you can successfully turn off voice chat on Roblox. Thank you for my watching. Now subscribe my YouTube channel.